Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 199. बोकडाचा मृत्यू अटळ, जाणून चुकले होते सकळ, परी पाहुनी योग्य वेळ, केला हा खेळ बाबांनी. Everyone knew that the goat's death was imminent, but at the opportune time, Baba enacted this drama. सद्गुरूसी शरण गेले, सद्गुरु रूपची ते जहाले, सैंधव सिंधू स्नानार्थ निघाले, ते काय निघाले बाहेरी. Those who surrender to the Sadguru, they attain oneness with the Sadguru. When rock salt enters the sea for a bath, can it ever come out? जीव हा या जगाचा भोगता, ईश्वर जगद्भोग प्रदाता, परी सद्गुरु एक मोक्षदाता, निजात्मैक्यता निधान. A living being enjoys the worldly experiences, good or bad, and God grants them to him. But Sadguru is the only one who grants salvation. He is the store of all the Atmas which have oneness with him. कृपा उपजली या पोटी, सद्गुरु देतील दिव्य दृष्टी, तेणे मग ही सकल सृष्टी, मावेल दिठी एकदाची. When the Sadguru is pleased, he grants us celestial perception by which the whole creation is seen in one divine vision. हेमाड साई पायी शरण, तेथे वाही देहाभिमान, मनी म्हणे सावधान, बाबा निरभिमान मज ठेवा. Hemad surrenders at Sai's feet and offers his bodily pride there. He is alert and thinks, Baba, make me humble. आता पुढील अध्यायद्वयी, थट्टा विनोदाची रससोयी, करीत कैसे महाराज साई, ती नवलाई परियेसा. In the next 2 chapters, there will be a feast of jokes and pranks, and how Maharaj Sai played them. Listen to that marvel. दिसाया विनोद करमणुक, परिती अत्यंत बोधदायक, अभ्यासील जो भक्त भाविक, परम सुख पावेल. Though it appears as a joke and an entertainment, it is full of wisdom. The pious devotee who analyzes them will be extremely happy. स्वस्ति श्री संत सज्जन प्रेरिते, भक्त हेमाड पंत विरचिते, श्री साई समर्थ सच्चरिते, गुरु भक्त लीला दर्शनम, नाम त्रयोविंशतितमोऽध्यायः संपूर्णः. श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथार्पणमस्तु. शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु. May there be well-being. This is the end of the 23rd chapter of Shri Sai Samartha Satcharit, written by the devotee Hemad Pant, impelled by saints and virtuous people, called The Spectacle of the Leela of Guru and Disciple. This is offered to Shri Sadguru Sainath. May there be auspiciousness.